Hi there, welcome to the unboxing of Xiaomi Mijia Smart Door Lock. This is the newest addition to Xiaomi locks, and it includes a 3D fingerprint sensor, also with NFC, Bluetooth unlock, and also of course the key. So this one is available on different sellers, but I think it's too expensive to buy it in AliExpress. For instance, here it's $288 plus $213 for shipping. This one is pretty much okay. It's $300 plus $19 for shipping by DHL. But the others are like 360 plus, okay, free shipping by seller's method, but you never know whether you're going to pay customs or not. This one here is fair price, but also seller's shipping method. We don't know what it is, whether the customs will find this parcel and make you pay customs or not. So I would suggest if you want to buy this one that you don't buy it in AliExpress, or if you buy it in AliExpress, buy it from somebody that is sending by DHL, at least when you're buying in Europe. So this one was bought on Geek Buying for $315, and it was shipped by EU Priority Line, which means that there is no customs and you get it. You receive it on your door. So let's get to it. Okay, so it comes with pretty big and heavy box, as you can see. And let's try to find how to open it. It's completely covered in tape. So there will be pretty much cutting. Okay, and there are two layers of this. Underneath is the original box, and this is just another layer which we have to take off first. Okay, let's see if we can get it out of this. Okay. So here's the original box. And let's open it. I won't be able to make installation video yet because I didn't want to buy a new door until I double check whether this thing is going to fit. But like in a couple of weeks I will be installing it. Okay, so here's the box and let's see what's inside. First of all, there is this thing which is used during installation in order to fit all the holes and everything in place. Then there's the instruction manual. It's unfortunately in Chinese, but hopefully we will be able to understand something, because we have some pictures. If not, I'll just use Google Translate. Okay, so next Okay, there are several boxes inside, and this box seems to contain the lock. So on all of the webs, they say this is a standard 24 centimeter lock. As you can see. Okay, I'll return it to the box because I won't be installing it. When I come to think of it, let's measure the guy. See how big it is. So, as you can see, the whole thing is 24 centimeters. Exactly. And this thing here is like 17 centimeters inside. And the depth is a bit less than 10 centimeters. Okay. In the box you go until it's time to install you. So, the other box, let's see what's here. This is the frame. It goes onto your door frame with some screws inside. We won't be needing that as well, so I'll just return it. Then the next box has a screw icon on it. I suppose it's not important. It contains a set of 2 keys and the lock itself. See, there's a lock inside. And 2 spare keys. There are no more than 2 keys because this lock was primarily designed to be used on Fingerprint or NFC or Bluetooth. So the keys, you can see there are 2 keys, are only in case of emergency. Okay, and the other stuff here, I'll just have to put it like this so you can see, are some screws and stuff that you probably need in order to install it. Okay, nothing very interesting. It goes back into the box. Okay, so this should be most interesting part. These are the 2 handles that go into your door. And my oh my, they are pretty big. They are pretty big. I didn't expect them to be so big. In my videos, I always say, hey, this thing from Xiaomi is much smaller than I expected. I mean, the gateway, the sensors, the stuff. But this guy is really huge. This one is really huge. So I was hoping it won't be that visible because, you know, you never know if somebody's going to destroy it or something. And I'm really considering getting a really dark door to make it as invisible as possible. I wouldn't want any vandals to destroy this guy, which costs like $320. Okay, so on the inside, here is the fingerprint sensor. And here is keyhole. And on the top is there is a numeric keypad. You probably cannot see it very well because it's not lit. It's not connected. Okay, so let's get the other part. I'll just have to put it somewhere. And this is the other handle, the one that goes inside. And that's all there is in a box. So, okay, this is the inside. Some wires, another wire. You can see electronics underneath. And this. Okay, there's some QR code here. And this is a thing that you turn when you want to lock or unlock it when you're inside. This one doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, of course. This one has a button. It really is heavy. It really looks expensive, and it's really nice. In my opinion, it draws attention too much, and I will be pretty afraid to put it on my door, but let's hope for the best. I will have to install some cameras in the hallway as well if I want to prevent. So I don't know where the batteries go. This should be something that there's a button here, you see, probably reset or something, or just a sensor when it knows when it's locked. Or when it's installed, sorry. The batteries should go somewhere, and we didn't get any batteries. So I guess I will have to study some instruction manual. So that's everything for the time being. Let me just measure this guy. If anyone is interested in dimensions, it's really much bigger than I thought. This guy is a bit more, a couple of millimeters more than 36 centimeters. 36 centimeters, that's really huge. And the width is like 7 centimeters, 7.5 centimeters. So it's really heavy, it's really big, and you should consider whether it's safe to put such a beauty outside. Not without a camera, I suppose. So that's about it. I don't know if I will be trying to connect it to Mi Home app before installation. I probably will, because I will have to wait for the door for like a couple of weeks at least, just to see that it works. And I will make another video of installation when that happens. That's it for the time being. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.